Wanna know how to check if a string in Java is palindrome? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide that could help you on how to check it. So I have used this simple code right here. You can just simply copy up this code and I will head on to explaining how it works. So we can just simply reverse the string using StringBuilder. So you can see StringBuilder on a text right here. So this text is simply the name of the data type, that is string. So make sure to remember it as well. So what StringBuilder does is it compares it to the original. So if both matches, it's a palindrome, like MADAM right here. So if it doesn't, it isn't. So we have also created an if and else statement to prove it is a palindrome or not. This trick works best for words, phrases and even numbers as strings. Easy and clean solution. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.